Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to my channel. The world of youth fashion is vibrant and dynamic, and designers focusing on this demographic play a crucial role in shaping trends and preferences. 2E, in particular, has gained attention for its innovative approach to youth design, especially in handbags. This exploration delves into the philosophies behind youth design, the unique attributes of 2E handbags, and the broader impact on the fashion industry. Youth culture is often at the forefront of fashion trends, influenced by social media, music, and peer interactions. Designers must stay attuned to these shifts to create appealing product. Handbags for younger audiences need to balance style with practicality. This means considering factors such as size, weight, and the ability to hold everyday essentials while being easy to carry. Today's youth demand diversity and representation in fashion. Designers are increasingly focusing on inclusivity in their collections, ensuring their products resonate with a broad spectrum of identities and lifestyles. With a growing awareness of environmental issues among youth, 2E incorporates sustainable materials and ethical production practices into its handbag designs. This resonates deeply with a generation that values environmental responsibility. Many young consumers seek individuality in their fashion choices. 2E offers options for customization, allowing buyers to choose colors, patterns,